Hi guys, welcome back. Um, I figured I would go for the next one, and that is Colorado directly. As you can see, we've lost a couple of guns, so we only have 8, but we have better turn time and higher AP damage, which is not too shabby. Other than that, kind of same, small amount of increased AA defense and more health, of course. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna use my blue experience booster because I want my 3 daily containers because I don't really have more time today. Equipment wise, figured don't really need the second battery flag on an American BB since the range is just too poor to make any effects. Of course, I might regret that, of course, but I'd rather save them. Other than that, more HP, better heal. Hey, if there's a CB around. Yeah, might as well go spotting. Changed a bit here. Not sure why, but seems like I have adrenaline rush. But yeah, that worked. So yeah, let's get on with it. All right, no, do like that. Right, let's. Well, we're not under 2 this time. I bet I'm gonna do something stupid and get cocky and rush everything or something like that. That happens. Or do something else dumb like. Yeah, I usually have these activated, but it seems like it's been a while since I played this ship. Yeah, that's not great. I don't think our Fubuki has a tier 10 commander. Since his concealment is quite. Yeah, I don't like this. Feels like our DD is gonna get spotted first and die before we can do anything about it. But yeah, let's try. And yes, and Sarah will smoke, and I will be the only visible ship. So everyone on me. How lovely. That CB is getting quite close. Well, fudge. I had HE load. Doesn't matter, I missed, so duh. Just wanna turn and get my stern towards them. Because it feels like I'm gonna have 2 runs here.
Requesting assistance.
Wouldn't mind shooting at that Gnevdi to help our Leningrad out, but I won't be able to hit. And now he disappeared. Well, I'll be damned. There's the sea. Wow, that was such a kill steal. You don't forget that when you have this spotting plane on, that you can get another altitude of your spotting. Could be quite nice every now and then. My key is C, but I'm not sure if that's for you as well. Don't really get any good hits. Yeah, I know, my aim sucks.
Spotter returning to ship. Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Fine. And mid. We will have a DD in center here, maybe? Remember using tab and check that ship if you're uncertain of what kind of armaments it has, like the Ignace. I keep forgetting which BBs from the German side has torpedoes, since I don't really want to go into a knife fight with them. I think it be able to go through there, yeah.
Torpedoes to starboard.
And you can use those depth charge airstrike to check where the AA is coming from, so you can see them. I saw 2 ships, which I already knew, of course, from the mid.
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I think he had 8 kilometers, right? So those gonna hit me. Time to go ninja stop. Well, I think we're pretty safe to attack. That must be the DD that's targeting me. Get 2 ships. From where? Ah, must be the Mutsu.
Torpedoes to starboard.
But there aren't really any threats left. There's like 2 BBs and they're both south of me. Don't really have to keep track of my broadside that much. Oh, sneaky sneak. My aim really sucks today.
Our victory is in sight.
I mean, how hard is it for him to hit me? I'm barely moving.
Our victory is in sight.
And the Mutsu has torps as well, so I really want to stay away from him. Even though it's like 2 per side, but... Alright, let's snipe a little deep. 7 kilometers. Can I do it? Can I do it? That's the question. Nope.
Our
Yeah, one
victory
hit
is
of
in sight.
I'm way off. Yeah, another mediocre game from my side, but yeah. Come on, RNG guy. Help me out. Oh, nice one. Well, yeah, still the same slow ship, but does pack quite a punch. The AP slightly better um, turret rotation, but yeah, it's up to like tier 9. I don't think you'll be able to get any faster battleship. I think Iowa will increase speed. So yeah, just hold out until you get that one. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll keep on uploading as often as I can. So, yep. Thanks, guys. See ya.